everyone. My name is Shubham Shendre. I am from 17 January 2022 batch and today's date is 4th February. So today's topic is abstraction and interface difference. So this is the original video. So let's start. So what is the abstraction? Abstraction is simply used for the uh, suppose you create a one class in class there is number of methods and you create for the project you create project and this is a planning class means you want in your project only 10 15 and number of methods or operations developer do. So for this you create a abstraction class. So first of you have to give abstract to the class and next then public method you have to write in front of every method public abstract and then method name. So this is you said for the planning for the project and after that developer only develop and write code for this in this method after calling them. So this is abstraction. And what is interface? The interface is updation of abstraction. Means what it means, remember you have to write in abstraction in front of every method public and first you have to give public and then abstract word. So for number of hundreds of method in a class, so you don't need to write in every method these keywords. So in interface you have to write only interface. Means you write interface to the class, then automatically all methods are publicly accessible and abstract also. So due to this in this introduction we see the whole major difference. First, interface contains only abstract methods and while in abstract class abstraction you have not restrictions to uh, for the abstract method or uh, abstract or non-abstract method both are supported. Means you give some methods to the public and some methods to the private or protected also. So this is the main difference of both the interface and abstraction. And the other differences is uh, in this interface keywords you use and in this abstract keyword you use or while calling class while inheritance um, in interface you use implements keywords with them while call superclass and subclass relationship and in abstraction you use extend keywords. Also it supports abstractions is not support multiple level inheritance and in and in interface you supports multiple level inheritance. So what is inheritance we know already, and multiple inheritance means there is many superclass and which there is single suppose there is single subclass which access the multiple superclass. So it is not possible in the abstraction and it is possible in interface. Also there is no constructor. Constructor is not present in interface because is all the variables are already static and final, and in this abstraction there is no such restrictions to the variables. Also so constructor is manually initialize weekend options, but in interface we have not option, it is already in static. So this is constructor is not in interface allow to declare, while in abstraction construction is declared. And when you give variables to the interface, you have to you have to uh, necessarily you have necessarily um, initialize. And while in abstraction, you have to declare, you you have to initialize, declare. So it's options, means suppose it overall conclusion gives the you have to you are clear about what you do, your complete work, what all methods are in. When you clear about all the work, then you use interface, means all methods are in public and public and abstract. Or while in inter abstraction, you have to some methods in public or some is private. So here is no choice. And in interface you have to no choice, while some restrictions. And while in abstraction you have to modification changes is possible. So thank you. And this information is from Google and YouTube.